What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Bluetooth driver is missing in the device manager on your Windows 11. So let me directly get into a step. So first one, just go over here, right click and directly navigate to the device manager. And right now if I go over here, I have to check for the Bluetooth, and right now as you can see the Bluetooth is not here in my case. So if that is the case, what should I do? Or if the Bluetooth is already installed on a device but you're not able to find it, then is also what you have to do. There are two cases. The first one, which I said, I don't have the Bluetooth over here even if I check over here. So what is the reason? So the reason is the Bluetooth is not supported on my device, either the PC or laptop. Or I have to do is I have to buy a Bluetooth USB, then I have to connect it. That's what I have to do as the first step. So this is for the base users, but for some users, they might be already installed the Bluetooth devices or the Bluetooth USB, but it is not visible. If that is the case, just go over here, click on the action. Now from here, go to scan for hardware changes, and you have to check whether you are able to view this or not. If you're having the trouble, just go to the view, and if you have to click over here and just click on show hidden devices. And right now from here, you have to check whether you are able to find any Bluetooth devices or not. If you still don't find the Bluetooth device, then we need to install the Bluetooth device manually or Bluetooth drivers manually on your device. So for that, first we need to know what is your Bluetooth configuration, all those things. So just go over here, search for the system information, and you have to click on this one. And right now over here you can see this is the baseboard product. That's what you have to search over here. And as you can see, it is H310MH. This is what the baseboard product. So what I need to do is just go over here, close everything. I just need to go back over here, and I have to go over here and I have to close this. And right now I need to type H310. I have to type H310. Sorry, I have to type H310. Then I have to type MH. Then I have to go over here. Then search for Bluetooth. Sorry, I have to search for Bluetooth driver download. That's what I have to search, and I have to press enter. And right now from here you have to find which is your official Bluetooth, and you have to download it. And if you're going to this particular site, you have to download the versions from here, and you have to download and install the respective driver on your device for the Windows 11. So right now we have options for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So mine in case it is Windows 11, so I have to download this one and install it. Afterwards, most probably I'll be having the issue will be completely solved. So this is what you have to do, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.